Hello, friends. Today we're having a Volkswagen Golf engine cover repaired. Two fasteners on the cover are broken. One of them is missing completely, and I'm thinking of fixing it with a 3D printer. The second fastener is broken, and I tried soldering it, but unfortunately, it didn't help. The plastic splits when pressed. I'm thinking of using copper braiding to solve this problem. Copper braiding should act like a bone in the human body, after which I'll add some plastic on top. We need to wait a bit for the plastic to cool, then we'll test it. It looks like the method is working. The plastic bends but doesn't break. It seems to be working as intended. Now I need to make a second mount, which is much more complex. I want to 3D print a blank that I can fit onto the remaining plastic on the lid. But to do this, I need to grind down part of the old mount so I can fit the new one onto it. So, I've removed some of the old plastic. And now I have a piece of plastic in the center. Now I need to 3D model it and 3D print the mount part. This is what I managed to make. It's a very small piece, quite complex. The size is practically perfect. It fits snugly into place and can be glued in place. It seems to work, but now I need to test it on the car. If the mount fits, I can glue it in place. Let's try snapping it in place. As you can see, everything fit perfectly, even on the third try. See you in the next videos.